I'm Anita from beandesigns.com with a video tutorial on how to cut paper accents from digital paper to use on a digital scrapbook layout using GIMP. I'm all about helping you preserve memories for your future generations by providing tutorials to help with creating awesome digital scrapbook layouts using GIMP. This is a copy of the end result. It's a 2-page spread of a recent layout that I did, and it has paper cutouts. We have circles here from the digital papers, and we have rectangles here of our digital papers. So we're going to start with a new image that has these full-size digital papers on it, and we're going to cut some rectangles out and some circles. So let's start with this top layer and cut a rectangle from this top layer. We're going to do this by using our rectangular select tool. We're going to make sure that we're not feathering any edges or rounding corners. We can use the size tool here to help us get the size that we want. So let's draw a rectangle and let's take a look. I would like this rectangle to be around 1200 wide and 2400 tall. So this is our rectangle. Let's copy this from our digital paper. So you can Control C, or you can go to Edit, Copy. Okay, either one. Then you're going to go to the layout image, right click, choose Edit, Paste As, New Layer. And you can notice over on our layer palette, we have a pasted layer. So let's hide the full-size paper, and there we have it, our pasted layer. So let's go to the yellow paper now. I'm going to do the same thing. Let's copy, Control C, right click, edit, paste as, new layer, and a yellow layer appeared, a yellow rectangle appeared on our image. You can use the move tool to move it around. Let's hide the full-size yellow paper and you can see our rectangle. So that's simple, how to cut rectangles out of the paper. Let's cut a circle from one of the papers. So I'm going to pull a pink paper up and make it visible. I'm going to choose the ellipse select tool, click on my image, and then press the shift key, which allows me to keep a circle and it's not an oval. Okay, so I let go. I now have a circle selected. We can do the same thing. Control C, right click, edit, paste as, new layer, hide the solid pink layer, and we have a circle. If we wanted to do a ring like on this layout, we would need to create a template. So what we would do is add a new layer that is transparent. On this layer, I'm going to do the same thing we just did by creating a circle. So click, hold my shift key, draw a circle. Then I'm going to fill that circle. Let's give it a different color than pink. Let's do this color. Fill the circle. Now, shrink this circle. So select, shrink, and I want to shrink it by 25. Okay. Actually, that doesn't look like quite enough. So let's go ahead and shrink it. I'm going to shrink it by 50. Okay. Then let's delete that center. So we deleted the center. Let's select none. This is our template. So we're going to cut this from one of the full-size papers. So this layer right here is the one that we're working on. I'm going to right-click Alpha to Selection, and it will select our ring. Let's now highlight, let's do this yellow one here, make it visible. So we've made the full-size yellow paper active. We have the ring selected. So we'll do the same thing we've been doing. Control C, right-click on our image, edit, paste as, new layer. Now let's hide our template layer, hide our solid yellow layer, and we have rectangles, and we have a ring, circle ring, and select none. And we have a pink circle. All of these we cut out of a digital paper. We can add them to any layout to use our papers in creative ways. I really hope that you enjoyed this and that this tutorial will help you to make great digital scrapbook pages. If you did enjoy it and it was helpful, please like it and check out my other tutorials on the YouTube channel. Subscribe as there will be more tutorials to come. I sincerely do hope that these tutorials are helpful to you as you preserve your memories for future generations. Bye bye for now.